Hello and welcome to Aquarium Academy. Now in this class we are going to solve case studies that is based on insurance. These type of case studies might come in your question paper. How are you going to solve if this kind of case studies comes into the paper? So let us see what's the question given to you. Read the question thoroughly. Anuj took fire insurance policy for his property worth ₹5 lakh. With the two insurer. उसने दो इंश्योरर के पास से इंश्योरेंस लिया है. दैट इज फर्स्ट वन आईसीआईसी लोम्बार्ड जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. उसके पास से उसने कितने लिया ₹4 लाख का इंश्योरेंस. और बजाज अलायंस जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के पास से उसने 2 lakhs का इंश्योरेंस लिया. An electric short circuit in his property caused fire and it results in a loss of ₹1,50,000. He filed claim for ₹1,50,000 against the two insurance company. So what type of question they'll be asking you? They might ask you, first question, can Anuj recover ₹1,50,000 each from the two insurer? So the answer will be no. Anuj cannot recover ₹1,50,000 from each of the two insurer. He can get only with one insurer. Why? Because he cannot get more amount than the loss he has occurred. Okay, अगर वो दोनों के पास से ले लेगा तो 1,50,000 plus 1,50,000 will become 3 lakh. Okay, and this will not be acceptable in the principle of insurance. So the answer will be no. Anuj cannot recover ₹1,50,000 each from the two insurer as he has no right to recover more than the full amount of his actual loss. Actual loss कितना हुआ था? 1,50,000. 1,50,000 से ज्यादा वो नहीं ले सकता है. If he recovers ₹1,50,000 from one insurer, अगर एक इंश्योरर से उसने 1,50,000 ले लिया है, then he will cease to have, then he will put an end to have any right to obtain further payment from the other insurer. मान लेते हैं कि अगर उसने ICICI के पास से एक इंश्योरेंस का 1,50,000 ले लिया है तो दूसरा इंश्योरर जो उसका है बजाज अलायंस, उसके पास से वो अपना इंश्योरेंस नहीं ले सकता है. वो राइट्स को उसको एंड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट हैज बीन आस्क्ड बेस्ड ऑन द केस स्टडी. Which principle of insurance has been highlighted in the given case? Obviously, insurance principle of contribution. Okay, so principle of contribution will be the answer. Why? Because two insurers are here, that is ICICI and Bajaj. Okay, so principle of contribution can be applied over here. The third type of question they might ask you, determine the liability of the two insurer. We know that there are two insurer, ICICI Lombard and Bajaj Alliance. So what proportion each is going to pay? So we are going to calculate with the help of the formula given to us. In a previous class, I have explained you how to write, how to memorize the formula. The same way, sum insured with ICICI Lombard, if we are calculating the liability of ICICI Lombard, then the formula for it will be sum insured with ICICI Lombard. ICICI Lombard से उसने कितना लिया? 4 lakh rupees लिया था. So 4 lakh divided by the total sum insured. Total sum insured was how much? 4 lakh plus 2 lakh, that was 6 lakhs. Okay, so the total insured is 6 lakh into loss कितना, actual loss कितना का हुआ था, that is 1,50,000. So the answer comes to 1 lakh. So the liability for ICICI Lombard will be 1 lakh. Then the next one is liability for Bajaj Alliance. Bajaj Alliance उसने कितना लिया था? That is 2 lakh rupees. और total insurance कितना था? That is 6 lakhs rupees. So 2 lakh divided by 6 lakhs into actual loss, that is 1,50,000. That it comes to 50,000. So Bajaj is going to pay 50,000 only. So the total of this, that is 1 lakh from ICICI and 15,000 from Bajaj, it is going to make 1 lakh, total of 1,50,000. So this is how he is going to recover his insurance money. Now let us see the next case over here. Kapil took a marine policy with 2 lakh to protect his good from perils of sea. On the way, the goods were spoiled by rats. He suffered loss of rupees 1,25,000. He filed a complaint for loss against the insurance company. Okay, now insurance company से उसने कौन सी पॉलिसी लिया था? उसने मरीन का पॉलिसी लिया था. ओके, सो एंड द पॉलिसी वाज ऑफ 2 लाख, बट जो लॉस सफर किया है वो किसकी वजह से सफर किया है? वो एक्चुअल में रैट्स की वजह से सफर किया है, ना कि कोई सी के पेरिल से. ठीक है, सी से उसको कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ. सी के जो समुद्र का जो पानी है उसकी वजह से उसके गुड्स को कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ है, बल्कि सी के अंदर जो रैट्स थे, ठीक है, उसकी वजह से उसका नुकसान हुआ है. और नुकसान कितने का हुआ है? 1,25,000. उसके लिए भी उसने क्या किया है? इंश्योरेंस का जो पैसा है उसके लिए क्लेम किया है. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ केस स्टडी. फर्स्ट वन, can Kapil recover rupees 1,25,000 from insurance company? No, it cannot. Why? Because Kapil cannot recover the insurance amount which is not liable for the insurance company, है ना. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के लिए वो लाइबल ही नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज वो पेरेंट्स ऑफ सी के अंदर नहीं आ रहा है. जो लॉस हुआ है, जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, वो रिमोट कॉज की वजह से हुआ है, ना ही कोई प्रॉक्सिमा कॉज की वजह से. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, which principle of insurance has been highlighted in the given case? So proximate cause has been given over here. According to this principle, the insurer is liable for the loss only when such loss is proximately caused by the perils of sea, okay, which are stated in the policy. In the given case, the loss caused due to rats is a remote cause and not the प्रॉक्सिमेट कॉज, है ना. रैट्स की वजह से नुकसान हुआ है जो कि रिमोट कॉज है, ना कि प्रॉक्सिमेट कॉज. सो इसकी वजह से इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो है वो लायबल ही नहीं है कि इसको 1,25,000 पे करे. सो दिस इज हाउ it goes with the case study. This is how you're going to solve it.